Shubor nakaslem jong Nongsaiñ Hima.
Tea Development Scheme. What is the key objective of the scheme? To carry out experimental plantation of tea for the possibility of finding ways to grow tea economically and in commercial scale as well. Raising seedlings in the experimental station for distribution to farmers. Encouraging organic certification on a cluster-based approach. Training and capacity building to tea growers. What is the type of assistance service? Providing tea seedlings, biopesticides, biofungicides, plant protection equipments, brush cutters, harvesters, etc. One-time financial assistance at Rs 10,000 per hectare, and training and capacity building is also provided to the tea growers. What is the pattern of assistance? Sale of seedlings at 4 Rs 50 paise per seedling, one-time financial assistance at 10,000 per hectare, 50% subsidy on biofertilizers, biopesticides, biofungicides, plant protection equipments, brush cutters, harvesters, etc. Cost of certification fee. Who can apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers engaged in agriculture owning agricultural land or leased land up to 2 hectares. How to apply for the scheme? Bona fide farmers can apply in plain paper through the nearest horticulture development officer of a CNRD block, Horticulture Circle, District Horticulture Officer. What is the beneficiary selection procedure? Bona fide farmers on first come, first served basis. Whom to contact? District Horticulture Officer and the Horticulture Development Officer.